Yo, what up, what up? It's your boy Mikey Underdog. Always want to do that, right? Listen to ET every morning, Eric Thompson, while I work out at the gym to get the mind right. But real quick, um, I know you guys, we play this nice, beautiful 5-minute flag right out of the gates, right? And actually, if you actually guys see this real quick, this is live, right? I didn't play this, I missed it, but guys, what you guys are seeing on drug is liquidity traps, liquidity traps, right? Big volume, low volume pullback, big volume, low volume pullback, and you kind of see this start to break out. All right, keep it on watch today. Might be trading, might not be. We'll see. Um, I want to go to this 5-minute flag really, really quick, but more important, I'll be going over this stuff on what it looks like Monday for the workshop that I want to do for you guys and everyone to kind of show you how I trade, what I look for. Um, but again, nice 5-minute flag right here. Looking for the first 5-minute candle to make a new high and kind of rip through that instead of get stuffed. Okay. On this one right here, I had 271. I saw that buyers were stepping up and it wasn't going to pull back anymore. So I actually chased this one. I joined the momentum going back up. I saw a nice volume increase right here. Nice volume push. And then it ripped, made new highs, broke three. Really great trade. I had a lot of shares. I had about 45,000. Great trade. Nice way to start the day. Okay. But more importantly, I want to go over what are we looking for power hour. Okay. Guys, if you kind of see this volume profile of what it took to actually get up and break out, and if you zoom out and you kind of see this right here, this low volume consolidation, it's trying. If you look left, it's not getting what it needs to actually make the move. Okay, even on the bounce right here, you kind of see this increasing volume. All right, tried it, got stuffed. Buyers are trying to step up. It's trying, but you see this has a lot of volume. Okay, so when you're as this thing develops and start to create a bigger pattern, what got me on this one was I saw this nice 5-minute flag look. Right, I saw the stair step down the VPA right here. All right, and if you're watching a level 2 on this, it was actually pretty insane because see this big volume push? Didn't go anywhere. They kept stacking this. Stacking it, stacking it, stacking it. And what I mean by stacking is that they kept piling up the ask. As soon as it would diminish, boom, stack it again. Diminish, boom, stack it again. But what happened was, is it's right here, right? As soon as this, if you see all this, look at this volume on the one. Hold on. Let me try to get this a little bit better for you. Stretch this out. Okay, kind of go out here. Look at this volume on this 1-minute candle. 255,000. And the thing stood between, you know, a lowest 267 and a high of 268. That's pretty crazy. They were stacking that, and that's what you see on the 5 right here is that we get this increasing volume. Now, when we're looking left, right, we need to see this type of volume for this thing to start squeezing, right? Okay, and that's exactly what we get. Let me auto zoom, go here, right? This is what got me interested was I saw this stair step down, big volume come right here, and once we got over these walls, it was going to start squeezing shorts, or whoever really wanted to keep this down to get more shares, that's fine, right? You guys kind of see what this thing is. Hey, doing a video, bruh. Chill out. Right, you see this thing squeezing. High day is 345. This thing looks like it's just trying to squeeze, open up. Okay. So again, with this setup right here, that's exactly what we got. In the first 1-minute pullback right here, got bought up, consolidated, ripped. Looked like a bunch of profit takers on this dump right here. Consolidated, did this U pattern. 1-minute bear flag broke out, made new highs. My kid's coughing. Calm down. But yeah, very important. So power hour moves. We're looking left. We're seeing what kind of pattern something's putting in. But more importantly is we're watching this volume ramp, okay? Now, as a 5 minute starts to open up, you know, when things are accelerating, right? 5, 10, 15, 20, 20 minutes, we got new highs. You have to try to, one, if you're watching this setup, it's good to take an entry and maybe just risk, 260, right? 10 cents. Sorry, not even 6 cents, 7 cents. Low risk, bigger reward, right? Because what are we looking for? We're looking for new highs. So you're looking at a 35-cent move, you know, with a 5-cent risk, 7-cent risk. Low risk, big reward. Watching the tape and seeing how this thing was acting and reacting to certain levels. All right. Again, power hour moves. We're looking left. We're looking for this type of volume. And if you see this on the one, we got some ramping volume. All right, we got 1 mil. 850 ramping volume. Okay, 1 mil. Consistent again, another 1 mil. All right. This thing's opening up right now and it's pre-market. Okay. All right, we're looking for this break, and maybe we might see this 470s break. Who knows? All right. That is what we're looking for, power hour runners. Okay. Something that catches volume. Look left. We want to see it start opening up. Get the same volume and had it out of the gates to actually make new highs or something very close. All right. You know me, guys. I cannot stay away from flags. So this was a beautiful 5-minute flag. And if you're like, hey, Mikey, is this backside? Well, I mean, this did some weird stuff right here. It's fine. But this is very still front side of the move. All right, shout out to Benji and RT because they're on this first. Okay, look at his volume profile. Boom. All right, this thing is beautiful because it set up another 5-minute flag right here. Okay, if you look left, we're pretty much hovering right above this pivot. This is a daily pivot, 635. Beautiful VPA too, right? People, this is a mix between buyers pushing, people taking profits, right? You always want to look at this second 5-minute candle, okay? And then from there, we'll be going over this because there's a lot of good examples. First 5-minute candle to make a new high is pretty much 660. It busts through, does not get rejected. Super important, okay? All right, I'm going to go into more details on Monday because I want to, break things down even a better way for you guys, okay? But 2 consistent flags and then one more third one on this one, pivot play off 669. Again, if you can't get the exact tap, you might want to add in. This is my opinion on this, and then risk this. It gives you a plan. It gives you some type of, risk. All right. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys have a great Friday. Hope you guys have a great weekend. And I look forward to seeing you guys on Monday. Unless something changes and it's Tuesday and people will vote. But we'll see. Okay? Much love, everyone. I appreciate if you guys, man, hit the sub button if you guys are not subscribed. Smash the like button on these videos so YouTube can see that, you guys are loving this. I appreciate you guys' comments. I reply to, probably 99% of people. That's like the community that I like to get through is through YouTube because Discord's very busy, really use it for trading, okay? Much love, everyone, and I'll see you guys next week.